friends, today I'm going to be making yomogi mochi. Yomogi is a Japanese mugwort leaves with a unique, strong, earthy flavor that we enjoy around this season. You can easily find yomogi in the mountains or riverbank, even around my house like this alongside the road. I don't pick the leaves because the dog might do their business while walking. As you may already know, Japanese people enjoy the seasonal ingredients like this. This is the flavor of May. Let's get started. Pour hot water over the dry yomogi leaves to rehydrate. Drain, and we are using the fiber that remain in the strainer. Discard the green water. Put mochiko and rice flour and sugar in a bowl. Add lukewarm water little by little. My bowl is a little bit too small, so I changed it to a larger bowl. Choosing the right tool is the key to success. When almost all of the water is absorbed into the flour and it looks like a chunk, add rehydrated yomogi. Mix until it makes a smooth dough. The consistency is like a Play-Doh. When you touch it and it doesn't stick to your hands, it's a good dough. Before shaping, prepare the red bean paste. Shape the dough into a cylinder and cut into 10. Roll them into balls and cover them with the plastic wrap to prevent drying. Spread the dough into 10 cm in diameter. The center is thicker than the edges. Put the red bean paste in the center and wrap it up. Rotate the dough, pull up the dough along with the red bean paste, and pinch to seal the end. Flatten like a disc. The dough is easy to dry out and it's going to crack the edges, so cover with the plastic wrap while working on the other pieces. When you finish wrapping, put it on a frying pan or griddle and cook on low heat covered for 3 minutes. Flip it over and cook another 3 minutes. And flip it over and cover and cook another couple of minutes. When it looks like swelling and puffy, it's cooked. Today I'm making a big batch for my temple gathering, so it doesn't seem easy to make, but it is easy to make it in a small batch. You can freeze it in a Ziploc bag and it will last over a month. Reheat in the microwave and you can enjoy it anytime. The mochi has a chewy texture, but it's easy to bite through with the toasty flavor. The aroma of yomogi gives it a nice kick and it's so impressive. It looks like matcha, but the taste is so different. It tastes so good and it has a lot of health benefit. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!